There were 10 pretty girls.
Support Glamourdaze by treating yourself to 6 decades of beauty secrets. From the flapper era of the 1920s to the golden age of Hollywood makeup. Real advice from the beauty experts women trusted then. Vintage makeup tutorial books direct to your device. You can now learn the hairstyles that defined the 1940s. Victory rolls, pompadours, finger waves and sculpted curls, taught step by step. Find your look direct to your phone or tablet. Now meet the real women who kept the home front running in World War II and served in uniform around the world. A wonderful bumper memorabilia pack of rare booklets for you to download, full of beauty and style advice. Glamourdaze, history you can download.
Oh, you can't marry 10 pretty girls. That's all.